Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you for visiting my channel. When I hit 5K on Instagram, I told myself I was going to make one. So for my first video, I wanted to remake one of the drawings that I made a couple months ago, which you could see it on my Instagram posts. I believe back then in December or November, I did God of Destruction Goku right here. So I'm going to turn it digital. I do use an iPad, 2018, Procreate, and Apple Pencil. And that's all I use. Alright guys, so let's start drawing this thing. So first I took a picture of it with the iPad, made a layer, put the opacity down a lot, just enough so I could see it. Added a layer on top of that, and then I started drawing. So I usually like starting with the eyes. For some reason, it just makes sense to me to work from the eyes and go around that. From there, I wanted to make the hair more wavy, as I like to say it, because they're usually just more stiff and spiked, but here I wanted to just flow it. So I did make it different from how Dragon Ball artists would make it. Right there I put the earring on them, because you know, most of the Gods of Destructions do have an earring and some type of jewelry wear, jewels, whatever. So now I work on the chest piece right there, just like Beerus has it. Work on the arms, then he has the gold arm links on his biceps, and work on his gigantic abs that I made too big, but whatever. Then from here, I drew his gauntlet. It's gonna be a gold gauntlet from his wrist down. Style wear of like the Gods of Destruction is very Egyptian, very pharaoh. I dig the whole vibe of it. Okay, from there, make some layers. So here I added in photos of Goku as Ultra Instinct and a God of Destruction image I found on Google. I wanted to take the colors from it and just drop it down to my piece here. I find that much easier than going on the wheel and trying to find the color. Just makes it easier. So here I'm showing you guys that the background color change to like lightish pink, so when I do drop it, it does look different from the background, so you guys can tell I am changing the skin tone. So you guys think Goku will become a God of Destruction? Probably not, right? Well, it's more like a Vegeta thing, but we'll see. So that's the first layer of colors done, and now I'm going to add a layer on top of that to make some shadows. So right there, do it from the bangs. It's a little darker, it gives it more of the 3D effect, I guess you would call it. So it doesn't look completely flat. From here, I just kind of did what I wanted to do with the shadows. Somewhat use a light source, but overall, I just stopped. I just put where the shadows was where I thought it was going to be. guesses of how I wanted the white to be put on. So you do see me work on this piece for a little bit. There's a lot of erasing, as you can tell, but it worked out. Right, so now I'm just finishing up some more smaller details for the shadows, and I am about to add a third layer of shadows right here. Alright, so see, it does make it a little pop more. Oh, it's coming together nicely. Alright, so now I wanted to add a glowing effect to the eyes because I thought it was going to be more badass than just his normal gray eyes, and it does look like he's about to just kill someone. So now I'm going to make the Hakai energy ball in the background, as you can see. I did add that as a layer behind Goku. So with the Hakai, I took obviously another Google image picture of a Hakai ball, took the colors, and I just added layer on layers of different luminescence effects in the Procreate toolset, and just used blurs, used opacities, until I got it right where I wanted it, which you can see here. So now I'm going to start working on the background. I tried red, but I didn't really like it, so I did a black, spacey, nebula type vibe here, and that about came out great. Oh, look at that. Combining all the layers together. Alright, so I know I've been playing dark ass music the whole time, but now I'm gonna put some heavy music because, man, you just gotta love. You gotta love when it all comes together. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow my Instagram. It's going to be shown right after this clip, Pyropen. And make sure you give it a follow, like this video, subscribe, and I will try to do these videos at least once a week, depending how much time I have. Alright guys, until next time.